was a pretty efficient security check. We're gonna have bubble gums at the Cancun airport. Here we are at Cancun's airport. Yes. Dallas, Fort Worth. Here we go. On our way to Texas, leaving Cancun. Bye, Cancun. Okay, we made it through customs now.
We are officially back in the US of A.
Yes.
We'll go see the cattle drive.
Mm-hmm.
Looking forward to seeing cattle drive.
Yeehaw! This is our hotel, the Stockyards Hotel.
All right, we made it.
We made
In
it.
one piece.
That was an interesting
Barely.
cab, right?
That was interesting indeed.
Are they both under Dobson or?
Yes, ma'am.
Howdy, partner.
Eddie? How y'all doing?
Where are we going next?
Beats me.
Let's
Beats
go.
me, Jesus out of me.
Let's go
Come
ride a
over here and look at
mechanical
this
bull.
here Frederick Remington. Now that's how you ride a horse.
Beautiful piece. It appears to be an original.
Appears to be.
Oh, this is cool.
Balls and all.
My best guess is that
There's a horse.
it's somewhere that way.
Main Street, that's Main Street.
Oh.
But I think this is also a main drag.
Yes, what?
They're gonna have hands there.
Maybe, yeah. But we can do that later. There's Risky Steakhouse.
Yeah.
That's where we're gonna eat tonight, right?
Tonight.
For dinner. Wow, this is so neat. It's like stepping back in time.
Mm-hmm.
They had it Sunday. They do it every Sunday.
First Bulldog.
That's a Coliseum. That's where they must have
They must have some rodeo going on
rodeo.
there.
Mhm.
Oh, there you
yeah,
go.
this is what we're.
Now we're
this is what
talking.
we want to do.
You got to wrestle him down to the ground, Wolf.
I think there's a line though.
Ah!
Nice. You look awesome, Wolfie. Okay. Great job. We just needed a cowgirl hat.
That's some good riding there, Wolf.
Thank you, sir. Stock exchange.
Well,
I
you know,
believe this is
that's
where
how the story's
they
gonna go.
auction cattle.
Saw that bull snorting and kicking up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Wolfie was riding him with yeehaw.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Expertly.
Yeah.
Good job, Wolfie.
That's how the story's going. Excuse
There's
me.
another bull here.
Ready for the cows.
Do you see the maze over here to the left there?
No.
you'll see it.
Oh, right there? Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
The
Little further.
Cowtown
And
Maze.
then we can ride the train.
Okay.
Stockyard Station.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Let's ride the train.
I was looking at that one. Oh, train rides see mechanical bull, so I guess the bull ride, the bull drives the train.
That means this. First.
Oh,
The mechanical bull. Let's take a train ride right now.
all right. Okay, we want to do a train ride and then a bull ride.
Train ride is $5 a person. Bull ride is $9 cash or $9.50 with card.
Okay, we're going to do cash for the whole thing. We got 5 of us for the train.
All right.
So that's 5 ahead, you said? So that's 25 plus another 9.
Yes, sir.
25 and 9 is 34. There's 20. There's
We are gonna ride the train.
Sure it's actually gonna move.
You're gonna ride the caboose?
Yeah.
Hi
fitting
guys.
just fine. Going for a train ride. Authentic Western train.
That's right.
And I
Well, Bear wanted to ride that train, but I think this one's more fun.
I fit just fine in here.
Yeah, this one's Woofy size.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, this one's my size.
All right, we're on our way.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'll be the one driving.
Choo choo.
Sissy sees how good you are at it. If you're doing okay, then he moves a little faster. And if you're doing okay, he moves a little faster. And then you start having trouble, then he doesn't go any faster. So for like you, it'd probably be really slow the whole way.
Your hands are not in.
This is so cool. I'm having so much fun.
It's like a carnival,
Yeah.
a really expensive carnival. We're gonna spend more money here than we spent in Cancun. These guys are making bank here.
We crossing the border, we're going to see the
Josh, you know.
Mexican vaqueros.
Ready? I'm ready.
Oh, is that 4 cars?
You're like, oh, I'm stuck behind the train again.
The pestañas over there on that car is like my lashes.
This was a
Currently,
Yeah, looks like this.
my mom has no idea what I'm talking about. I could be saying anything and she's gonna smile the same way.
Some places, like here, see these trailers, like this one coming, that's got horses in it. I haven't seen no cattle drive, but they say they drive them.
I don't think anyone else has anything.
If the cattle are driving, what are the cowboys doing? Put the cowboys out of work, the cattle do all the driving.
Where's
Who
your
makes their
southern
cow
accent?
payments
Wolfie?
fall?
What?
Where's your southern accent?
Was that good, Bear?
Mm-hmm. That about it.
Coming back to where we
How
started
y'all
from.
doing?
How y'all doing? Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Howdy, partner. How y'all doing?
That bull knows he's been ridden. Oh, we're back in Mexico.
We're back in Mexico.
Bye, guys.
Howdy.
We arrived at our destination.
We have arrived at our
Okay, here goes Sarah. She is going to ride the bull. Oh, that looks like a very mean bull. Oh, yes. Oh, oh my. Oh.
I can see his butt.
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting more and more difficult. Oh.
Yeah, she's getting thrown.
Wow! 45 seconds, a record. That was so cool. Okay, Bear. Next, where are we going?
Maze? Maze or ride horses? Or...
Yes, let's do the maze, then the horses.
All right, let's see how we're doing. We got 30 minutes till lunch.
Okay.
No, you're in there till you find your way out. Everybody in?
Yeah.
All right. 5 for the maze.
Words for these letters. Every letter will have a hole punch with it, so you're going to punch it and find another. We have time clock when you go in if you want to use it, and one when you come out. How many kids? Just one?
One.
That's what we're
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, put this on.
Thank you,
I'll
Bear.
have to find him in
No.
order.
Okay.
Oh, you're already on top of it.
Each letter has a hole, so let's find the maze.
Yeah, you clock your start time on your ticket, enter the maze, find 4 hole punch, go maze, time you follow the letter punching hole, you don't. And when you punch all 4, find your way to the exit gate and clock your finish time on your ticket. How long will it take you to complete the maze? All right,
Stamp your time.
there's my time. I'm
Go
off.
ahead, Wolfie. Stamp your time. Okay.
Okay. Ah.
Nice to see you. Oh, shoot. Another shortcut. Hi, Bear.
Hey, Moose.
I got lost on the first turn. I took the shortcut.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I've been on
Took me
shortcuts
to a
to
dead
nowhere.
end. Oh, Sarah's doing really good. She's all the way over there. It smells like manure.
It does, doesn't it? Even
It
I
does.
smell that. I
Have
think
you
this is where you
punched
just
any
came
letters
from.
yet?
Yeah, I got A.
You got A. Wow. I got no letters punched. Okay. We have found the E. It's there.
So you got E.
Wolfie's trying to find her way around.
Yeah, corner of the maze.
Wow.
But I don't know my finishing time yet because I gotta go to the front to get my timestamp.
That's amazing. Congratulations, we have
I
a
can't.
winner. Woohoo! Yes, you're last. Okay, come around this way to the side. Come on. Yeah, you'll find Bear. No. Stay right there. Bear's gonna find you. Right there.
Over here? It's a hard maze.
Yes.
Oh, we are lost. I am lost. This is like my mom driving. This is like my mom with her navigational GPS, especially when we're in London. Coming back from the Stonehenge. Never again. This is exactly why I am the navigator of this family.
Right. Well, go get your time
Wait.
stamped, otherwise Bear's gonna beat you to it. Oh, Wolfie's got one more. Okay, she found all the letters, but can she find the exit and get her time stamp before anyone else? All right. Woohoo!
I put the wrong part. This was my start time. My finishing time.
Ah, nice.
10 minutes exactly. 12:37, 12:47. Great job.
Oh yeah. Oh, here they come.
Okay, you're finishing timestamp.
Where?
Bear is honorable. He's looking for the exit.
I'm looking for the exit.
I came out through the entrance. Mm. There he goes. I think he's gonna find it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you passed it. Yay! Hooray! Good job, Bear.
20 minus 3, 17 minutes.
That was a difficult maze.
It was a good challenge.
Yeah. What do you think, Sarah? Congratulations.
Yeah.
Aww. So pretty.
Apparently doesn't want to be pet. That one does. Champion Team Roper.
Wow.
Oh, hard.
No, it doesn't want it. Maybe let them come to you.
Oh, hard.
Aww.
Here, scratch my tail. Scratch my tail. Yeah, that's where I like it. Come on. Yeah,
Oh,
you're
look.
scratching
Oh.
tail. You can scratch
Oh.
my tail.
Making friends with a girlfriend. Boyfriend.
He was an aggressive horsey.
Mm-hmm. There's a petting zoo over there.
Yeah, Wolfie wants to do it. It's a Dalmatian horsey. That's what Wolfie's saying. It's a bull. Okay, we've arrived at Paloma Suerte. This is where we're gonna eat lunch.
You have a preference inside or outside?
Inside.
Inside. That works for me. I'm glad you're here. Table up against these two right here. You all can make yourselves at home.
Here we are at Paloma Suerte.
We found Mexican food in Texas.
In Texas, yeah.
And so good.
So far, so good.
Well, we haven't had our food yet, but
That salsa is amazing.
this is all we do
Also
so
good.
far.
Yeah? Awesome. Salute.
Salad.
Salad.
Cheers.
Bull knows who's boss. We're going to talk about how a wolf rode him today.
Oh, yum. Fajitas look amazing there.
So basically, okay, your flight's canceled. But you forget free Cinnabons. Ooh, free Cinnabons. Let's go over there now for some free Cinnabons.
Oh my goodness.
Look, they have a puppy punch station. You see the sign? puppy
cute.
punch station. They got a jar of doggy water, pet safety, heat stroke, doggy do's, doggy don'ts. No, that's what they're calling the water. It's punch. It's punch for the puppies. It's really just water. Maybe they put some vitamins in there for them. Vecchio?
It sure does look like Ponte Vecchio.
The oldest bridge in Fort Worth.
Oh yeah, Ponte is French. Ponte is.
Ponte Vecchio. Ponte Vecchio.
Yeah, look, there's a saloon.
Yeah.
We're going to Wells Fargo.
We're going to the bank.
Okay, so we're here at the Stockyards Hotel
Again,
again.
this time we're checked in.
So we have a Bonnie and Clyde suite.
We have Bonnie and Clyde and we have Butch Cassidy.
Butch Cassidy.
Oh, we got to rent that.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Okay.
Robert Redford and Paul Newman.
I've heard of that.
See, even I said left.
Okay, Butch Cassidy suite. Whose suite is this, Bear?
Sweet. This is Grandma and Sissy.
Grandma and Sissy's room.
Grandma and Sissy.
Wow, this is cool. Whoa, this thing is humongous.
Mm-hmm. Open the shutters.
I feel like I'm in like watching Universal Studios when you walk in, you know?
Oh yeah.
Isn't it given like content?
All right, your keys here.
Girls, do you know who Bonnie and Clyde are?
Yes, I know.
Do you know who Bonnie and Clyde are?
I did the show.
They were basically two bandits, man and a woman.
Ruthless outlaws.
Look, wanted, dead or alive. Oh, we gotta take a Western photo.
At this
Yeah.
time too, because
Yeah.
the lighting is good. This is cool. Wait, does this work?
This is so cool. Okay, let's head up to our room.
Right, the exact opposite. I think she's wrong.
Okay, this is the Bonnie and Clyde room. It's original letters.
Come on, let's get inside.
Oh, sorry.
From Bonnie and Clyde.
A welcome basket from Bonnie and Clyde.
Oh,
That
you
is
even get a
so
free
cool.
hat.
A free hat. How about
I
that?
think this was Clyde's hat.
Ooh.
Hannah, let's shoot up the square.
We also have games.
These windows are so dirty, you don't even have to close the blinds. Right?
Yep,
Did they actually stay here?
They actually stayed here
they did stay here.
That's pretty cool.
while they were on the run. They were bank robbers in the Depression. Bank robbing was becoming popular. Well, actually, it had been popular for a long time. Bank robbing's been popular for as long as there's been banks. So Bonnie and Clyde
Look at this
were.
toilet, Woofy.
Oh no. Oh.
That's where you flush from.
Oh!
That's an old school bathtub. It's as old school as it gets. That's cool. Look, they actually have a
Maybe it
mini
gets
fridge
loud.
here. An actual mini fridge.
Oh, wait, is there drinks in there?
Here, take the hat off.
Not even the hat!
Not even the hat. You got to wear it for a little bit. Lame.
And I'm thirsty too.
It happened on May 23rd, 1934. 6 officers waited in bushes by the side of a road 8 miles from Gibbsland, Louisiana. At about 9 o'clock, Bonnie and Clyde appeared in a Ford V8 sedan when a total of 167 shots were fired. They died almost immediately. Both of them had their guns in their hands without a chance to use them. Clyde had been driving in his socks, and Bonnie had a sandwich in her mouth. At their funerals, many flowers were sent from admiring strangers to whom they were a hero and heroine. There they are, Bonnie and Clyde.
So are they friends or family?
They were husband and wife, right?
Just sitting a spell, waiting for the kinfolk to arrive. £1,500.
They're good herd animals. They're going to follow their leader, and their leader up front is always going to be the trail boss.
Boy, howdy.
So you have the trail boss who leads the group. He's usually the oldest one in the group. He can handle all situations amongst the groups. The cattle drives, all the cattle drives are usually about 2,500 head of cattle. They could be 2 miles wide, 5 miles long, and take anywhere between 12 to 20 men to move them. On either side of them, we have a lot going on down here in the stockyards. The best way to find out what's going on down here is to join our Heritage Club. If you're from this area, everything that's going on, you can get it through FortWorthStockyards.com. Also, after a long trail drive that you're going to have, make your way over there to the Pendleton Whiskey Bar.
Something to wet your whistle.
Boy, howdy.
Down the far end,
I like
on the
my
north
whistle
side of the
wet.
street, across the Risky Barbecue, you have the maze.
Good wet.
We know that you can get into the maze. It's 5,400 square foot.
What's going on here?
Here they come. Coming around the bend.
I want my money back. They're not driving. They're not driving. They're walking. Do you want to stand up here? Or do you want to stand here? You get a better view if you see them stand here because they're going to walk right past you. Look at the horns on that one.
Oh my God.
He can barely keep his head up.
That guy's Oh, look, it's a Dalmatian.
A Dalmatian cow. I thought he's going to give you a horning.
Yeah, I would not want to go. Oh, maybe one of them is going to leave some road apples.
There they go. We get to look at the backside now. I thought they'd be driving. Oh, here comes one in a golf cart. Oh no, that's a person.
That was cool. I was expecting them to drive. I was expecting more of them, but still pretty cool.
Well, here's one. He's kind of driving. He's driving the chariot.
Oh, yeah.
That is exactly what that is.
Further.
It's an apple bag.
Oh my God.
Well, we're gonna go.
Make your way over to the Pendleton Whiskey Bar. But now I know you're thirsty. Have a great day. Thank you very much.
That was fun, wasn't it?
Oh,
Texas known for like
everything. Everywhere's known for alcohol.
1920s too.
Come ride those horses.
By the way, the room that we are staying at, that's where Bonnie and Clyde stayed at. They got caught in Louisiana,
the official.
but they passed through that. They passed
Where do we
through
ride the
Texas, and
horses? Like where?
That's the
where?
hotel and the yeah, the room that we.
I was like,
Does somebody lead the way?
oh, like this is the
Yep,
whole
so the next time I'll
and when do you have to see a working
just
at
kind of go around.
Yeah, exactly.
Like galloping and
No, just walking.
like.
It doesn't get that western, but.
You want to ride horses?
Other guy is over there.
Mm-hmm.
To get that info.
At the petting zoo.
Yeah, he's at the petting zoo right now because one of our other guys went. So if you want to go and chat with him real quick,
Yeah.
I would tell you more, but it's my first day.
$50 a person.
Okay, 4:30. All right, we'll take it. Do you take cards?
Two.
Thank you, sir.
Change your spot for me. Are there any questions?
Nope.
All right, good deal. We'll get you loaded up.
Say hi to Nancy. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Say hi to Nancy.
This is
I bet they do. It's not such a bad job, is it?
What happened?
It could be a lot worse.
You want to
couldn't it?
switch?
Hmm?
This is Cowboy.
Cowboy. Hey, Cowboy.
All right.
You two know each other? Yeah, they're socializing a little. No, no grass.
Hi, Sonny.
You're not allowed to eat grass. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
If it were up to me, you could eat all the grass you want, but you don't know what's in it. Somebody could be leaving a hot dog in there, and you don't want to eat hot dogs.
Nice job.
Nah.
Wolfie's riding Cowboy, Bear's riding Bentley, I'm riding Sonny, and Sarah's riding Bruce.
Bruce?
And I'm here for it.
Hi, Sonny. Thank you.
Nah. All right, Bentley. Nah.
Bye. See you in a little bit. Yeah, here. Thank you.
Good job, Bentley.
Speed up on me. She's a wild child. I get it, girl.
Yeah. She's trying to race your horse.
Okay? You hear that, Bruce? Hear that, boy? Hear that, no boy?
There you go. Go ahead.
Hold on, Bentley. Hold on. Hold on. Come on, Moose.
Remember the one I told the rest that I took you to? It was like that one.
It's a staring contest.
Shave the beat. I thought this said shave the beard. Here.
Are we looking for pants?
Yeah.
Cowboy hats or cowgirl hats? You look hot there. That's
Stop it, Mom. You're
that
being weird.
is a nice hat.
Mom, you're being weird. Look.
says the girl with.
That looks like a grinder monkey.
You need that cowboy hat.
No,
Bear.
you need that cowboy hat.
I do. It looks better on Bear. The cattle didn't drive a car like this one. Yeah. Wasn't there a Kit Carson Park? Uh-huh. This is like the Hollywood star of Texas. Yeah, it must be like a Texas Ranger or Texas Police. Yeah. This is the very top floor, the third floor.
Very top floor, all the way up to the third floor.
There they are, waving to me from our bedroom window, from the Bonnie and Clyde.
A lot of cows are named Bessie.
She didn't want to put her sweater on because she did not want to ruin her new outfit.
Yeah, how can you ruin the outfits? Look at this.
Mm-hmm. The ruffles are so cute. You look adorable, Buffy. Ready to go home?
I'm ready to be home.
Me too. We have boarded our flight. Wolfie's getting her hair done over here by her sister.